The problem says that the first number in the pattern is 8. Each following number is found by subtracting 9 from the previous number. What is the fifth number in the pattern? All right, so the first thing you want to do is cut your paper into 4 squares. We're going to use our first square for important information. Our second square will be used to identify what the problem is asking or telling us to do. Our third square is where we will solve the problem and apply the strategy that we feel works best in order to do this. So let's list our important information from the problem. The first number in the pattern is 8. The next piece of important information is subtract 9 from the previous number. Now this symbol right here is a hashtag, but it also means number. All right, so now we're going to identify what particularly the problem was asking or telling us to do. It's asking us to select the fifth number from the pattern. We're going to apply our strategy of choice in order to solve this problem. This is the fun part because everybody is going to have a different strategy. The strategy that I'm deciding to use is going to be a ratio table. What's your strategy that you're going to use to solve this problem? I'm going to separate and create a ratio table. Here I'm going to put my pattern number, and here is where my number is going to be. We're looking for the fifth number in the pattern. So I'm going to number my patterns 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to stop at 5 because we're looking for the fifth number in the pattern. Next, I am going to figure out the numbers. So I know one clue that I was given is that the first number in the pattern is 8. So I'm going to start off with 8. First pattern, 8. Now I'm going to start to subtract 9 from each previous number. So here we have 8. If I want to take 8 minus 9, well, that's going to give me -1. If you take this number line and we go to the left or backwards, -9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we end up at -1. So if I want to subtract another 9 from the problem, or if I count back from the problem, that's going to give me -10. So again, we're going to keep on subtracting 9. -10 plus -9 is going to give me -19. The more that we subtract 9, the further away from 0 we become on the number line on the negative side. So -19 minus 9 is -28. So the fifth number in the pattern is -28. So did I select the fifth number from the pattern? Yep, -28 is the fifth number. Here's our answer. The answer is -28. Hit submit and you're all set. Thank you. I hope this helped and I hope you have a great day.